In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal entry in Freshbooks, or rather, what you need to do since direct deletion isn't quite possible. If you've ever found yourself needing to remove or correct a journal entry in Freshbooks, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to start by navigating to the Accounting section. You'll find this in the main menu once you've logged into your Freshbooks account. This area is where all your financial records are neatly organized, making it the perfect starting point for managing your journal entries. Once you're in the Accounting section, look for the Journal Entries option in the sub-menu. Clicking here will bring up a list of all the journal entries you've made. This platform's layout is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can easily retrieve and manage your financial data. Now take a moment to locate the specific journal entry you wish to delete. Once you've found it, click on the entry to open its details. At this stage, you might expect to see a delete icon somewhere on the page. However, Freshbooks doesn't allow direct deletion of journal entries to maintain data integrity. Instead, we need to adjust the entry to effectively nullify its effect. Here's what you'll do. Instead of deleting the entry, you'll change all the financial numbers to 1. This effectively neutralizes the entry, ensuring it has no significant impact on your financial records. While this step can't erase the entry entirely, it does neutralize the error, which is the next best thing. In addition to adjusting the numbers, it's crucial to add a note to clarify why the changes were made. In this note section, type, "Made an incorrect entry." This not only serves as a reminder to yourself, but also provides context to anyone else who might review the records later. They will understand that this entry was effectively canceled due to an error. Although Freshbooks doesn't offer a simple delete option, this workaround maintains the integrity of your financial records while ensuring that any errors are clearly documented. This process not only helps keep your accounts tidy, but also ensures compliance with accounting best practices by fully documenting changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully handle incorrect journal entries within Freshbooks. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy accounting!